Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: razor, heat source, soapy spray, and protective tape. First, map the defroster grid and mask the filament lines so you don't nick them. Then, using a fresh razor at a low angle, score the tint into 3 to 4 vertical strips. Do this gently, because cutting too deep will damage the filaments. Once done, spray soapy water to loosen the adhesive and prepare the edge for peeling. This reduces tensile stress on the defroster wires. You now apply controlled heat to soften the adhesive. Hold the heat gun 6 to 8 inches away and sweep evenly at about 150 to 200 degrees F. While warm, peel a scored strip slowly at a low angle. This prevents sudden tension on the defroster. If you hit a filament, stop and reheat that area. Use a plastic scraper to separate film near wires rather than metal. This preserves the fragile filament coating. Make sure to reheat frequently. Adhesive becomes stubborn when it cools. You're in the final stage. Clean adhesive residue with soapy water first, then use an adhesive remover sparingly and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Inspect every filament. If you find a tiny break, repair it with a conductive paint kit. Apply thin, let cure, and test continuity. Once repaired, reconnect power and run the defroster at low power to confirm all lines heat. If a line still fails, you may need a longer repair or professional help. Otherwise, finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.